Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and today I'm going to be doing a small mask DIY. I know I'm uploading a video after a long break. That's because I am pregnant and it's a task to upload a video while you're pregnant. Seeing the current situation that's going around the world, scarcity of necessary items that we need to protect ourselves, our families, even the doctors and nurses, they don't have enough of it. I decided to upload this video where you can make mask from cloth bag, laundry bag, or any breathable cloth you have. You can also distribute it to people around you, protect yourself, your family, and by doing so, the existing mask that we have in stores can be utilized by people who are working in close proximity with the patients. So let's get started. Here I have scissor and this pink cloth bag. I'm going to cut a small piece from the bag. That depends on the size of the mask you want to make. Now I'm going to make folds on this piece. Now sew the folds on the sides, on both the sides as shown. Once it's done, you can take a piece of cloth and cover the edges on both the sides and then sew it. I decided to fold the edges and stitch it on the top. By doing so, we are going to give it a clean and nice appearance. Now cut 4 stripes of the same cloth and join it on all the 4 corners. Similarly on these 2 sides as well. And here the face mask is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video helps you. Don't go outside. Even if you're going out, wear mask, gloves, take sanitizers. Be safe, guys.